she what that's clean. I was blind to her goodness, and I stood at sea that I had without.
buhay ng mahal nating Reyna from Nasib, Igo City.
Thank you. PBA Parulon, Provincial Officer, Agong City. Sir. And also we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Prime Minister, Father Jose King. Palakpakan dito. And also we would like to call on the following names: Masias Amparo LC, Mrs. Amparo LC, Political Coordinator, Mrs. Sulina Taugia. These are tribal.
And now, we hear from the status report from the Royal Armed Forces National Television Front of the Philippines.
A National Liberation Front of Southern Philippines, the newly born organization in Mindanao Islands are composed of 5 regions and 2 special commands are Region 9, Region 10, Region 11, Region 12, Region 13, Arm, and Palawan Peninsula respectively. This organization was created through the Sultan of South and North Borneo, no other than Professor Sarif Muhammad Abu Bakar II, sir. Our main objective is to resolve the illegal activities, insurgencies, and rebellious acts, MPAs, lawless elements, and other armed groups to move up to the throne of the law. It doesn't mean that if we are already organic, we are not obeying the laws, and the Philippine Constitution. We are belong to this country, therefore, we still bound to follow and obey. Our mission is to ensure the security and the safety of our beloved King and Queen and their economic development programs, political leaders, socialists. Our main duties and function is to protect the lives and properties of our people. We also defend our natural resources belong to our territory against our enemy, foreign and domestic. He duly appointed and designated chief of staff in the person of Lieutenant General Romel B. Abu Bakar, sir, which is the highest rank in this organization, National Liberation Front of Southern Philippines. He can also execute the founding chairman function in relation to the military aspect, strategies, tactics, and operations. He acts as an immediate advisor. They already created and installed her general staff officer who assists them in performing of his duty. The general staff are designated as deputy chief of staff and their function as directorial in nature. The following general staff as follows: G1, Chief Admin, Adjutant; G2, Chief Intelligence, DJ Pingaron, sir; G3, Chief Operation, BJ Donayan, sir; Chief Logistics and Supply, BJ 20, sir; G5, Planning, BJ Jail, sir; G7, BJ Bangladesh, sir; and G8, WAG, BJ Lawrence Ma'am. And each deputy is taking over the offices in the absence of of the individual superior to it. Deputy D1 for admin, Colonel Maharashma. Deputy Deputy D3 for operation, Colonel Wibo. Deputy D4 for logistical supply, Colonel Martisa. Deputy D5 for planning, Colonel Carvalho Mam. As executive officer for the chief staff who perform other duties that the chief staff may assign. They created and installed rock to serve officer command for the chief officer headed by DJ Ambassador. They created and installed CDC, Central Division Command, headed by Major General Pisano Sir, is not allowed. And at the same time, Deputy Chief of Staff, the second highest rank of this organization, with his active deputy, Brigadier Tabardo Sir. In each region, an official command division, 9 division based at Samboga, Sibugay, headed by Brigadier Awinan, with his deputy, Colonel Dalikan Sir. They created 4 brigades with fully organized. The following brigade commanders are 9 Brigade headed by Colonel Sereno Sir. 9 Brigade headed by Colonel Biliana Sir. 9 Brigade headed by Colonel Taupan Sir. 9 Brigade headed by Colonel Awit Sir. 902 Division based at headed by Brigadier Alvarez Sir. With his deputy Colonel Roa. They created 4 brigades with fully organized and installed. The following brigade commanders are 905 Brigade headed by Colonel Bahang Sir. 906 Brigade headed by Colonel Kamba Sir. 907 Brigade headed by Colonel Abdul Kadir Sir. 908 Brigade headed by Colonel Asani Sir. Region 10 created 1 division assistant and his deputy Colonel Bontoyan Sir. They created 4 brigades. 3 brigades are fully organized and installed brigade commanders the following. 9 Brigade based at Bukidnon Province headed by Colonel Daligan Sir. 902nd Brigade based at Misamis Occidental headed by Colonel Giniar Sir. 903rd Brigade based headed by Colonel Butlay Sir. 904th Brigade Kagatin Sir. Region 11 created 2 divisions. 901st Division headed by Bigen Gibero Sir. With his deputy Colonel San Juan Sir. And they created installed 4 brigades with fully organized. The following brigade commanders are 11th Brigade based at Davao del Sur headed by Colonel Alisuso Sir. 902nd Brigade based at Davao Brigade based at Davao Oriental headed by Colonel Constante Sir. 11th Division headed by Brigadier Sam Sir. Colonel Oli Sir. Oli. Headed by Colonel Castino Sir. Region 12 created 1 division headed by Bigel Molina.
From the whole Philippines, eleksyon yun, ako ang aking Secretary General sa Tribal Communities Association of the Philippines. Kanini iparayo ang ancestral domain di sakripisyohan ng akong sa Manila. Kapapalo ang isang trabaho sa
Galing ang agenda? Galing ang agenda? Hindi.
may pangalan ka. Itong trabaho sa spiritual government Mamaw ng lahat ito. Ngayon ako kumain sa iyo mga sentiments o sa dito sa Philippines, mamaw ko. So, kanina na, ang atong kalihukan is primarily sa Mindanao to make Mindanao not only the land of promise, but pinangalan about this land. Simply speaking, ang Ginoo promise kay Abraham at kay Isaac, ihakag ang kanilang bahagi sa kalibutan,
Liwangin.
Tuloy dito. So, gububot na sila. So, pinalan mangita ang dalangin ng yuta na kaning pamilya ni Abraham, ganyan sa sakyanan, pindaghanan daw mga foreigner nag-ato diri sa atua, sa Philippines. Tingala silang nanong pindaghanan foreigner. Kaya ginasugo sila sa ilang kasing-kasing na muadto sa yuta nga tuwa ang saad. Pero, kaning tanan nga bahagi sa yuta, ilalom sa dagat, sa bukid, sa hangin, dili man ihatag. Bisan pa kita kadugo, bisan pa kaliwat kita ni Abraham, dili ihatag ni. Ihatag na ni sa usa ka kondisyon. Isa na. You want to be happy? Yes. And it is there, the promise is there. But only in one condition. Isa man to. You must love one another. Kaya kung sige kag-away, lisod. Sumala sa scriptures, kanang si Ismael, mupuyo kauban sa iyang mga igsuon. Natuman, di ba? Masin sa hulo, ito una sunod. Away karon. Sunod adlaw pisto. Away karon. Sunod adlaw kasal. Away karon. Sunod kumpare. Kung sa mana? In other nations, you cannot find that. When you are a Muslim, you're separated from it. But
We
why
are
is
also
it?
the national regulation for the Philippine generals and members of the House, ladies and gentlemen, and my royal family, Vice Chair and family, ladies and gentlemen. My authority as a Royal International Court of Justice, why I was given this appointment, because the Sultan of Sulu in North Borneo leads for 300 years in 15th century. That is the Treaty of Spain. 15th century, the Treaty of Spain. That is Spain has the right to rule the Southeast Asia and the whole world. Before that ending the 300 years, the Sultan of Sulu registered in 1802, which is Pilipinas Taipei Hulu. That's why we have given this sovereign land because of the registration in 1872. And now comes with the deed of 1872, British North Korea Chartered Company, which is the British given 100 years through Queen Elizabeth I. Installed in November 1881 in Queen Victoria Island. And now, with the last signing of the Mutua Mapilindo in September 16, 1963, my grandfather granted again a 50 years political federal election for 50 years, which signed with President Gustavo Macapagal and President Sukarno of Indonesia, my grandfather Prime Minister of Malaysia, and Malacanang Chambers, which the document inside the chambers below the Malacanang. I have the right to open the chambers to prove that no one is above the law. By my birthday on 22nd, June 14, 2014. The Prime Minister of Malaysia, Tun Muhammad Rajak, already declared on the lead of 14 June 2014 that Sabah, Sarawak, and North Borneo no longer parts of Malaysia. No longer part of Malaysia. That's why we come here to promote peace and development for our own people and our own land, because we are all Filipinos. Filipino Muslims, Filipino Christians, Filipino tribals, we believe in one God, because we are the descendants of Adam. We came from the four Bibles, Quran and India. We are the same. And we the representation of God, we equal right, equal sin, the property and wealth of God to all of us, Filipinos, in the Philippines, and the whole world. Pantay-pantay tayo sa grasya. That's why I have to continue what late President Marcos keep on saying. Sa ikaunlad ng bayan, disiplina ang kailangan, pantay-pantay tayong lahat. That this country shall be great again. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Mag-wish ang tanan para nag-win. Happy birthday. Okay. Usab sa pagsaulog sa iyang birthday, nagsaulog usab kita sa birthday sa atong amahan. Walay laing birthday usab karon ni Ama Ali. Palakpakan po nato si Ama Ali, Sultan Kuron. So mga kaigsunan, ako naging ihatag ang pinakahinaman nato nga mamumulong, walay laing walay laing ang atong ICJ Judge, co-founder chairman of the RAP and LSP, Queen Baginda Helen Fatima Nazaria Pangulino, Abdul Rajak. Palakpakan na rin.
Lingkod tanan, mayong hapon. Kaninyong tanan. Okay? Ako'y nagpapasalamat na nakarating kami. Galing kami sa iba't ibang bansa para ihatid sa inyo ang tunay na kapayapaan, ang tunay na katarungan, ang tunay na kaunlaran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh sa aking mga kapatid na Muslim. At ako'y nagpapasalamat sa ating mayor, no, the one that read the special message of our mayor. Thank you very much. Why did I choose Tagalog? Because I know the mayor will support me. Thank you so much. Sometimes when I make a decision, I just follow my foot where God would like me to go. This is mission. Ito ang aking kapalaran bilang isang taga-Mindanao. Nakita ko ang lahat-lahat na pasakit ng aking kapwa Mindanao. Kaya nandito ako, dinala ko muli sa inyo ang isang pinakamabigat na resolusyon. Dahil ito lang ang paraan, ang tunay na pagkakaisa. Sa ngayon, batiin ko rin muli ang ating 111 years old katotohanan. I fight for legitimacy. Hindi ako babalik sa inyo dito kung hindi ko dala ang tunay na laban na kahit sino sa mundo kaya kong tubahin para mabulit ang liban. Hindi ako politika. Ako isang misyonaryo para sagapin tayo sa kalubog natin sa Pilipinas na pinalubog ng mga tao na walang puso na ang iniisip lamang ay ang kanilang mga bulsa, handang pumatay, handang tumitil ng bawat buhay para ipagtanggol ang kanilang kasamaan at ang kanilang kasinungalingan. Sa ngayon, alam ko, maraming intel groups dito na pinadala ng bawat ahensya. I welcome you all. Pakinggan niyo ang isang mensahe na sa araw na ito, itinatagad ko ang tunay na kaharian na matagal na nilang tinakpan dahil sa pera ng Senado ng Cebu at North Bonero. Nandito ngayon, nag-travel kayo ng napakalayo. Alam ko, maraming nagtatampo. Marami sa inyo umiiyak, naiinggit. Pero, I tested you all. Tinestigan ko kayo kung kayo nga naniniwala sa akin. Kung kayo naniniwala sa Allah, hindi nyo dapat akong babayaan. Hinamon ko ang kamatayan para sa bibig kayo lahat. Alam ninyo ang laban ko sa iba't ibang bansa. Marami ang pinadala para itilin ako, para patayin ako, para patayin ang radya, para ang lalabas na gusto nila ay yung mga politiko na sultan na kanilang pinaupo mula noong 1936 hanggang sa ngayon. Pasensyahan tayo dahil alam ko maraming nakikinig sa inyo. Naka-online ako sa Facebook, naka-red alert pa ako. Thank you, Mr. Reddy Dimer, for coming over. Pacquiao is here. Through him. And then, I'd like to thank also that person, lahat kayo na nandito, lahat ng mga general, salamat sa pagdating ninyo. Okay? I'd like also to thank Sultan Sam. Alam ko, umiiyak ka na. Alam mo, isa lang ang masabi ko sa iyo. Pinili kita, tinawagan kita mula sa Malaysia. Ang sinabi ko sa inyo isa lang, Sultan, kung kaya mo itatag ang katotohanan, susuportahan ka. Maraming blockage, pero tutulungan ka pa rin. Kahit anong nangyari. Alam ninyo, may pera sanang tutulong sa atin para hindi kayo mahirapan sa mobilization, na yan ay dapat tulong na mula sa bukal na puso. Ngunit, minsan, talagang sinusubukan tayo ng Allah. Sinusubukan tayo ng Diyos kung gaano tayo matatag. Kung kaya ninyong ialay ang buhay ninyo para sa Mindanao. Kaya niyo ba? Kung inaya ko, kung sinuong ko ang kamatayan ilang beses, I got brave up, I got Saints ambush, nilagay ako sa isang lugar na pwede na akong patayin. Ngunit ang sinabi ko sa papatay sa akin, patayin mo ako, sino pang tutulong sa inyo? Alam dito ninyo lahat, at alam nyo rin kung sino nagutos sa inyo para patayin. Nandito kayo lahat. Witness kayo kung bakit pinapapatay nila ang isang katulad ko na pagpunta namin dito. Marami pa rin trials. Pero sa araw na ito, kung minarkahan si Ama Ali ng last treaty ng British Lord Borneo, the list of sandakan in July 3, 1903, ika-111 years ngayon, kaya birthday ni Ama Ali. Kung July 3, kinonceptualize at preliminary, nag-sign ang Mapilindo, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, in July 3, 1963. Ako naman ang minarkahan ng mga apo, ng mga limaya, ng ating mga lolo. Dahil ako ngayon, 51 anyos na, para lumaban pa rin dahil pinagpapatuloy ko ang laban ng Mindanao, ng Sulu, Sabah, and Sarawak. Kaya, July 3, 2014, ito pinapakita ko, pinaparinig ko na sa buong mundo. Ang binabawi ko ay amin. Ang kinukuha ko ay atin. At ang kinukuha ko, ilalim nila ay atin pa rin. Kung titignan niyo ngayon, napapansin niyo sa media, sa ngayon, at this very moment, the top officials of Maguindanao, the sultans there, are also having their meetings on how to face the truth. Dahil nilabas ko na sa buong mundo kung sino yung mga pangalan, kung sino yung mga pictures na nag-traidor sa katotohanan. Sino ang gusto sumama sa akin? Dahil ako lumalaban ng harap-harapan, wala akong inuurungan pagdating sa katotohanan. Makikita niyo yan sa internet. Alam ko, binabantayan mo yan. Kaya naiipon ko kayo. Nagpapasalamat ako at Sheriff Abubakar, our chairman. Our chairman, isa na ang itinanong ko sa kanya in 2010. Kaka, isa lang ang gusto kong marinig sa iyo. Are you willing to die for me because I'm going to fight the whole world without any reservations, without any split of second? Chairman Abubakar answered me with all sincerity, with all respect. Yes, my queen. Ganun lang ang kanyang sinagot sa akin. Kaya nga, sinikap ko mabuo ang National Liberation Front of Southern. Dati